In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert text to a number in both Excel and Google Sheets. Many of us have faced the common hurdle of having numerical data imported from other sources as text. This can cause issues with calculations and analyses, so let's get this sorted out easily. First, let's dive into Google Sheets. If you haven't already, open up a Google Sheet document. You can either create a new one or open an existing file where your data is stored as text. Once you're in your Google Sheets, locate the specific range of cells that are storing numbers as text. Next, you'll want to highlight the range of cells that you intend to work with. This simply means clicking on the first cell and dragging your cursor to the last cell you wish to include in the conversion. A quick tip: if your data spans several rows and columns, click on the top left corner cell while holding the Shift key, and then click on the bottom right corner cell to select a large range efficiently. With your cells selected, navigate to the top menu bar and click on the Format tab. It will bring down a menu with various formatting options. From here, move your cursor to the Number section. This brings up another submenu with several number formatting options like currency, date, and more. You'll want to click on the Simple Number option from the list. Upon selecting Number, Google Sheets will immediately convert all highlighted text into number format. This switch should allow you to perform various numeric operations, such as summing or averaging, without encountering those pesky text value errors. Now, let's briefly touch on Excel, as these steps are pretty similar. Open up your Excel file or create a new one if needed. Identify the range of cells containing your text-formatted numbers, just as you did in Google Sheets. Highlight these cells. In Excel, you'll also head to the top of your screen, but this time you're looking for the Home tab. Click on it and then look for the number group within the toolbar. Click the small drop-down arrow next to its number section. From this list, simply choose the option labeled General or Number. Excel then converts your text into a numerical format. A handy tip for both Excel and Google Sheets: sometimes, even after changing the format, numbers might still look like text, mainly due to leading spaces or errors in data entry. To mitigate this, ensure your data is clean before formatting. You can use functions like trim to remove unwanted spaces. And there you have it. In a few straightforward steps, you can convert text to numbers in both Excel and Google Sheets, streamlining your data handling and analysis processes. Thank you for joining, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to like or subscribe for more practical tips and tutorials.